Babayan tinapagtipo na puwersa dagiti nasurok 8 at troop iti Pilipinas, USA ken Japan, balay gida na depensaan ti panagatake dagiti kalaban. Natamaan dagiti target da iti tangatang, kabaybayan ken daga. Bayat ti operasyon da, makapleng ti aweng diti kakapigsang armas kasi ti High Mobility Artillery Rocket System wenno HIMARS na dumaduma klase ti drones ken unmanned surface vessels. Saan daytoy ngagpaypay so agubat, ngem ket di coordinated coastal defense scenario para iti counter-landing live-fire exercise sa paset ti Balikatan Exercise 2026. Numan may salaing daytoy nga exercise, arig na naritnamit digiti adda ditoy igit ti kabaybayan ti Barangay La Paz iti syudad ti Laoag ti maysa a war zone. Nangyagan digiti agkakapigsa nga armas apaman a natamaan da digiti target da. Babaen ka daytoy nga exercise, manamnamang adda pay ang mapaigadan ti kinatalged ti depensa ti pagilian.
We are simulating an exercise that has been part of the pre-planned activities that will not only deal with internal concerns or internal combat, but of course anticipation of any force that might come from the shore, but not, and I would like to emphasize that it is not directed towards any particular country.
Pinasingkidan dati importansya tinagbaling exercise kang runaan na tagagyamdangat at dapay ngagbali na moderno dagiti operasyon da iti naduma-duma domain. May sakari ti nagsentro anti aktibidad ket ti panakapatalget ti panagusar ti unmanned system.
Part of exercise Balikatan is becoming more complex across all domains, air, sea, and the land. And so we have to, in our modernization of our militaries, we look to modernize our capabilities with unmanned systems, not only in the air, but also in the sea. And you got to see that on display today. It's important to note that this is not just a U.S. Capability. This is a Philippines capability, Japanese capability. All of our like-minded nations are working towards having more capability that we can use unmanned systems to support our defense and our activities and our training.
Dakilakari ti Balikatan Exercise 2026. Kunada kinasapulan dati na iget a synchronization ken interoperability ti forces dagiti karaman na pagilian arason na nabaligi ti nagbaling nga operasyon da. Inayon da anas ken dagiti panlubok tapno na dapay ang mapatalged ti kinasagana ti militar kang runaan nan iti sangsang kamay sa panagoperar.
The reason why we do this training is because it's difficult. It takes a lot of work and coordination and synchronization, and the focus should not be on what you saw, but on the synchronization that was required to execute this. This exercise, Balikatan, allows us to train together in very complex, increasingly complex scenarios in which we increase the challenge for our soldiers, our airmen, our marine, our coast guard, and our navy.
Pinagyamanan dati gobyerno lokal iti panakikaykaysa ken suportada iti naiyusuat nga aktibidad. Para met ti seguridad digiti umili, saan daan na palubusan nga umasdeg iti nakapasamakan ti exercise ken awan digiti mangalap a nagturong iti kabaybayan. Mark Magdirila, Balitang Solid North.